This video is about runtime errors. In a previous video, we already talked about compiler errors. A compiler error is when your code doesn't translate correctly and you go to hit compile and you get an error message. This is a different kind of error. When you have a runtime error, the code will compile, and then while the program is running, it will crash. We're going to look at the most common kind of runtime error. Let's say I'm going to add a new lobster variable, lobster4, and then I try to add lobster4 into the world. My code compiles. And it crashes. And I get this terminal window. And it says null pointer exception. And if I click on that red link, it'll take me to the line where I have that null pointer error. A null pointer exception is the most common kind of runtime error you will have. Null is just a fancy way of saying does not have a value. And the problem is I'm trying to add lobster4 into the world, but lobster4 does not have a value because I forgot to give it its starting value, like that. Now when I compile, I have a lobster4. If you see that null pointer exception error message, find the line it comes from and figure out which of your objects, in this case lobster4, does not have a value yet.